Hi there, check out this crypto display I've built. It lets you monitor your favorite cryptocurrencies and comes with a browser-based app you can open on any device. It also features touch screws for easy control, real-time clock, pin status, and Wi-Fi meter. Adding or deleting your crypto coins, choose one for the display or just enter some more. Plus dedicated digital pins for managing other devices around your room. Connect your devices like LED strips or lights, fans, or even motors using relay boards or smaller control boards. You only need a couple of parts: small screen, ESP32 wires, few screws, and a few printed parts. First, glue the see-through cap like so. Check if the buttons fit. If not, expand the fittings a bit. After placing the buttons, make sure your ESP32 fits and that the buttons click. Next, take a 1mm flat cable with 4 wires. Cut one side diagonally and strip the insulation. The other side stays flat. Solder the diagonal side like so. Ground 3.3 volts and pins 1 and 2. Insert the ESP32 back inside and double check if everything sits right. Take the OLED screen and solder the flat side respectively. Next, take the insulation tape and cover the right side, but leave out the last 3 pins. Take the same wires and solder them to +5 and ground pins. Insert the ESP32 back inside the case and take the 5-pin female connector with bent pins. Place it inside with pins facing upward. It should fit nicely. First, you will solder the power pins. Make sure you bend those pins a bit more. Adjust the wires and solder the first pin to +5 volts and second one to the ground. Now solder the rest of the pins to the ESP32. You can solder the Schottky diode for the protection, but I'm leaving it out. Check the schematics for more details. The diode should go between +5 pin and the connector. Prepare the 2 wires by cutting insulation more on one side, around 1 cm and a little bit on the other. Solder the short side of the wires to the pin 4 and 5. Position the wires like so. They're gonna be inserted through the lid, but make sure you isolate all the pins. Take the lid and run the wire from the pin 5 through top right hole and the other wire to the bottom right hole. You can bend those wires so they do not slip out while mounting the lid. Finally, place the screen inside and press the lid. Now screw the screws in place. Wrap the exposed wires around in a clockwise direction and screw the screws. Make sure everything fits without cracks on the lid and that the buttons make a click sound. Otherwise, you need to open it and adjust the wires. And that is it. All that is left is upload the software and you're good to go. Add your favorite coins and control the LED lights with your phone. Enjoy!